Hello everyone, I'm Nunegsia from Morocco. Today I'm visiting the Ningdong Energy and Chemical Industry base in northwest China's Ningxia. Here modern coal chemical technology possesses a magical power, transforming varied coal underground into products such as polypropylene, polyethylene and more, achieving the transformation from darkness to brightness. Are you curious how this happened? Come with me.
煤炭呢是经过我们煤化工处理，两种主原料呢，通过一系列的化学反应生成我们的氨纶丝。
Let me show you how the spandex threads looks like. Here we have different thickness of spandex threads. Here a little bit thicker, and see the elasticity. And this one is very, very thin, even thinner than my hair. These spandex threads are used in different products. For example, this chest expander. And here we can use it in swimsuits. But more incredible is that the spandex threads used also in children's products. For example, children's diapers and these good, high quality children's clothes. So unbelievable. I cannot believe that all these products, these clean, stretchable products, are from black coal. So unbelievable.
产能设计是3万吨，目前的话，二车间主要是采用自动化设备比较多。从之前的人工每条线大概3个人，现在降到每条线1个人。 然后大大减少了人工这一块的投入。
Through a series of measures such as technological innovation and industrial upgrading, companies are becoming an important production base for spandex, aramide and high-performance fibers in the northwest China, aiming to create China's spandex valley with international competitiveness.
通过一系列的我们整个一些科研实践。 整个呢是为我们企业注入了新的活力、新的一些能量。我们在整个传统整个这个纺织领域这一块呢，也是有了新的一些突破打破了我们上下游这个整个链条在后续的一些整个氨纶和纺织方面的应用方面也是逐步在扩宽为企业整个这个高质量发展提供了非常好的助力。
At the Ningdong Energy Chemical Base, coal undergoes a series of complex chemical processes to become a crucial source of raw materials for synthetic fiber materials, achieving a transformation from black fuel to white raw materials and from coal to oil products. By accelerating the cultivation of new productive forces and developing the modern coal chemical industry, Ningxia is at the forefront of China's transformation towards clean and efficient utilization of coal, marching towards high-quality development.